Welcome to the Lone Star College Curriculum Management Decision Makers Orientation. Our time will be divided into a general information period, which will be including an introduction of the Lone Star College Curriculum Management Team, our mission, and an overview of the new CM system. Lastly, we will visit the Lone Star College catalog and see its functionality. But first, we'd like to introduce you to the members of the Lone Star College Curriculum Management Team. We like to call this a who's who in curriculum management. Our curriculum coordinators are Chris Becerra, Denise McCurdy, Janice Dover, and myself, Susie Englert. Amy Ramirez is Director of Curriculum Management, Carlos Raina, Coordinator, Teresa Holloway, Administrative Assistant, and Dr. Wendy Wilson is the Executive Director of Accreditation and Curriculum Management. Next, we'd like to give you a brief overview of what our department does. We support curriculum teams in all stages of curriculum development, including new program development, program and course revisions, outcomes assessment, and curriculum mapping, as well as continuous improvement efforts. Next, we'd like to share some fun facts with you about our department. We like to call this curriculum management by the numbers, and I'll just point out a few of these. All of these items that you see on the screen are involved in getting us to the final step of the catalog, whether it's credit courses, areas of study, our 400 faculty members on 83 curriculum teams, and the 760 proposals that were processed last year. All of these items are involved in the final step of the catalog, and we will be showing you the online catalog at the end of this orientation. Next, we'd like to give you an overview of our new curriculum management software tool, LSC Curriculum Management. We are calling it CM. Now, as you may know, Lone Star College has partnered with Quali to provide a system that will better meet the needs of Lone Star College. We call this tool CM, which is hosted by Quali. The benefits of CM I'd like to point out are, this will help us to build and maintain transparent curriculum records. It will aid in the flow of proposals and communications. CM allows access to specialized curriculum reports. It also provides improved proposal tracking. You're really going to enjoy seeing how CM displays curriculum changes in a side-by-side format. And lastly, we're especially excited about the electronic integration with iStar and the online catalog. Next, we'd like to just give a review of the curriculum approval process, the LSC approval process, or the workflow, as we refer to it. This is a visual of our workflow design. As you can see, and as you probably know, a proposal travels through several steps to final approval and implementation. Each step can be customized with the appropriate roles, users, and deadlines to promote a proposal along its path. For example, the participants listed in step 1, which is the top left of the screen, are the curriculum team and curriculum management. This is a foundational step, since team meeting minutes are an official record of the team's decisions to make changes to courses and/or programs. At this step, the coordinator performs research and gets clarification of what needs to be done to properly enter the information into CM. The coordinator attaches the minutes and other documentation as part of the proposal entry, and we encourage you to review these documents. Once the proposal is submitted into the workflow, the approval process is set into motion. Each step requires the review of your part in the approval process. This will push the proposal along to the next step until all approvals have been completed for each proposal. Now, in the next slide, you'll see information about another training video that we have. It can be found on the training resources page on the internet, and we will point that out to you at the very end of the presentation. Items that are covered in the training session, you'll learn how to locate and log into CM. You'll understand how to navigate with CM. You can view curriculum proposals. You'll learn how to enter decisions on proposals, navigate to the training resources library, and you'll learn how to locate and navigate the LSC catalog. Another item we want to point out to you is the notification of action items. Now, as a decision maker for CM proposals, you will be alerted to proposals ready for your review in two ways. First, which you're familiar with our previous software, you'll receive an email from Quali, our vendor, notifying you when a proposal is ready for your review. The proposal will appear in your My Action list on your dashboard. Now, this is an example of an email notification. Notifications are sent from the host system, Quali, throughout a proposal's journey. These emails should not appear as spam, but you may need to monitor your spam list should the LSC email block emails sent to you. Now, these notification emails will tell you four things. First of all, the type of action being requested. In this case, it's usually an approval request. Second, the title of the proposal, which is History 2327, Mexican American History 1, what step it's on. It is currently on the Campus Dean step. And lastly, it will provide a link to view the proposal and view the course. Now, when you click on the link in the email where it says View Course, you'll be taken to the proposal. If you're not already logged into the system, you will be prompted to do so before redirecting to the proposal. Okay, next, we'd like to share some information with you about the Training Resources Library and the LSC Online Catalog. We won't click on the link for the Training Resources Library, but it is found on the internet. And if you watch the other presentation on CM, you will find that there is another way to access this information. There are lots of videos and training materials available for your help as you navigate CM. Of course, you can always reach out to your curriculum coordinator, or you can always email us at the bottom of the screen at our department email, curricdev@lonestar.edu.